in Kikuyu constituency, Kiambu County, have succumbed to COVID-19 in the last 2 weeks as the fourth wave continues to wreak havoc among Kenyans. Kiambu Governor James Nyoro now says demand for oxygen at the Kiambu County COVID-19 Center at Tigoni Hospital has gone up 4 times as compared to its demand a month ago. Mwangi Maina begins our broadcast tonight.
This portrait of Charles Muthiora, a COVID-19 victim who was buried on Tuesday at Gikambura village, was put up to guide mourners to the funeral venue to avoid them straying into other homes where funerals were being conducted too. 3 more people were being buried in the same village Tuesday. Muthiora lost his wife and daughter-in-law 2 weeks ago and succumbed to the virus too after spending 12 days in the ICU.
He has been in the ICU for 12 days, but unfortunately he never made it, so akaenda. Na ndio we are having his funeral today. A few days ago, let's say on 22nd, we buried his wife, who also suffered from the same COVID-19.
The recent by-elections in Kiambaa constituency and Mogoga ward have been termed as a virus super spreader, as residents claim a surge of cases have been witnessed during and after the electioneering period. They also want the county government of Kiambu to hire more doctors at the Tigoni COVID-19 center, as many patients are not attended to.
Kubaya sana. Kuko kubaya. Ukienda hata hii njia ya Kamago utakuta tu hema ya mazishi. Kama leo area hii tumetoa watu 3. Huyu ndio alikuwa wa mwisho. Tumetoa 2 St. Teresa na mwingine Kikuyu Hospital. Na watu wote hata ni kama mmekuja mmeona arrows, ni watu wanaenda area moja. Area hii ni baya, especially Karai. Na hii tunaona ni kama ile exaggeratiwa na ile ilikuwa Kiambaa. Ile siasa ilikuwa Kiambaa. Sababu hapo breni hatukuwa na shida.
Kiambu County Governor James Nyoro says Tigoni Hospital and other hospitals in Kiambu are overwhelmed and supply of oxygen to every patient at Tigoni is proving to be a tall order. Nyoro says the oxygen consumed at the hospital is 4 times higher as compared to a month ago.
We are already overwhelmed in Tigoni, and we may not be able to take any more patients, not because they have exhausted our beds, but because we cannot cope with provision of oxygen. Okay? We are now receiving 4 tons of oxygen every 12 hours. Our number today will probably reach 200. So we've actually even made a decision to open all our level 5 other hospitals and to start reducing even the normal patients. We'll be opening some of the other hospitals where the ordinary patients can go, but we're overwhelmed.
Even as the authorities urge residents to observe COVID-19 containment measures to the latter, the government has been urged to upscale the vaccines rollout, especially in villages, to avert hospitals being overrun with COVID-19 cases.
Nataka kuuliza serikali yetu, hii mambo ya vaccine wahakikishe imefikia watu wetu vizuri. Juu hii kitu inakuja kidogo kidogo, watu wetu hawajapata vaccine vizuri.
Meanwhile, the country has recorded 1,085 positive COVID-19 cases on Tuesday from a sample size of 7,067, pushing the total confirmed cases to 205,356. The country's positivity rate now stands at 15%, with 403 patients reported to have recovered, pushing the total recoveries to 190,095. 25 patients have been reported to have succumbed to the disease, all of them being late deaths, reported after conducting facility record audits on diverse dates in the months of August, September, October, and November 2020, and the months of March, April, and July 2021. This pushes the cumulative deaths to 3,995. Mwangi Maina, TV 47.